Hello and welcome back to Bit Trading. My name is AJ, one of the mentors here, and today we are going to take a look at the price of Bitcoin. We're going to go through what has happened within the price of Bitcoin and the levels that we are looking at trading so that we can actually profit off of these price movements. If that sounds interesting, smash that thumbs up button, subscribe if you are new, turn the bell notification on so you never ever miss another video, and watch the video until the end because I am going to give you some valuable information on where I think the price is going to go and how we can actually profit off of the price movements. Before we jump into the charts, click the link in the description. It will take you over to bittrading.uk. Click join BitTrading here. You can gain access to the free courses we have available there for you, and you can also gain access to the Visionary Discord, which I'm giving all of my trade signals away over there, and I'm giving signals on where I think the price is going to go. One example is this one right here. Price has re-entered the range, forming a failed auction. We are now looking for a short entry as we are expecting a bigger pullback. Okay, so I was telling my team, we formed this failed auction. Okay, right here. So we're looking for lower prices. What happened after I said that? Well, lower prices came. As you can see on the charts here, we saw a big pullback towards the downside, coming almost to range low, okay, where we front run that ever so slightly, and that was a level that I was looking to long. I was telling my team that I was looking to actually long this level. Unfortunately, we did front run that level by a few dollars, so we couldn't actually enter into that long position, but that would have been a really nice long position, taking TP1 at POC. As you can see right there, very strong resistance, but POC initially was tapped. Okay, and from POC, what are we seeing? Well, we're seeing a retracement. Now, from yesterday's video, we haven't seen much price volatility. Okay, we've only seen this slight pullback since yesterday. Okay, so there's nothing much to really update you with, but there is something really important I do want to get onto, and I will get onto that in a minute. I just want to cover the levels that I'm interested in trading for those who haven't seen yet. So the levels that I'm interested in trading are the range high up here. Okay, this is a shorting level I'm looking to short at 28,136. So if we come up to this level, okay, we see the bearish confirmation, bearish confluence, then I'm looking to potentially short this level here. Okay, now that is only going to occur if we break above this level here, because this is an internal high that I'm looking to short at 27,616. Okay, the same thing. If we come up here, okay, we tap this level and we see the bearish confirmation, bearish confluence, then I'm looking to short this level here. Okay, I'm looking to short that level, but okay, we remember, if we don't see the bearish confirmation, bearish confluence at this level, then we're looking at higher prices, and vice versa, and the same, sorry. If we don't see the bearish confirmation here, the bearish confluence, then we're looking for higher prices there. Then we're possibly looking for 29,000. Okay. But the first level of resistance that I'm looking at shorting is actually this level right here. There's a strong confluence level here. Okay, we've got value area high. We've got the mid-range of the initial range that we are in right now. Okay, and we also have the VWAP here, okay, which as you can see has acted as really nice resistance right here, forming a big pullback. Okay, so we have a strong confluence resistance level here, which I'm looking to possibly short. Okay, this level I'm possibly looking to short if we see the bearish confirmation and the bearish confluence at this level. Then I'm going to enter a short around this level here. Okay, however, if we don't see that bearish confirmation, bearish confluence, what are we going to do? Well, we're going to be looking for this level up here, which I just told you that I was looking to short as well. Okay, if we don't see that, then we're looking at this level here. Okay, if we don't see that, then we're looking for higher prices. Okay, so all it is I'm looking at these levels. I'm not setting limit orders. That's not what we do here at Bit Trading. We don't set limit orders. Okay, I set alerts. Okay, once one of these levels is tapped, okay, then I'm checking the reaction. Is the reaction bearish off either one of these levels? If it is, then and only then will I enter into a short position. Okay. And for possible long opportunities, okay, my long opportunities are from down here, like 25,302 and 25,271. These are the levels that I'm looking to looking to long, okay. And this pullback here, I was actually looking to long this here, but we front run 25,271 by a few dollars, so I couldn't enter that because we just didn't have all of the bullish confirmation and bullish confluence aligning. So for me, I chose not to enter that. I wanted the level to be tapped and then to see the push towards the upside. Okay, but we are getting a pullback as of right now, okay? And we are possibly going to come down and actually take this level here. If we take this level, okay, and we see the bullish confirmation, bullish confluence, then and only then am I going to look to take a long position from there. So this is the setup that I'm looking at as of right now. And why am I looking at this setup? Okay, well, we're going to get onto that in a few seconds, but this is, you know, the reason why taking a step back and looking at the, the larger time frames, this is why I'm just a little bit more bearish than bullish on Bitcoin right now. Now, I am a trader, okay? So I like to look at the charts. I like to look for key levels that I'm interested in trading, okay? Once one of those key levels is tapped, I will check for the reaction and I will trade based off of the reaction, either by entering a long or a short or just not trading whatsoever, okay? But, you know, what I'm actually seeing now is more bearish indications coming into the market, telling me that we could actually see lower prices for Bitcoin, you know, taking us below 25,000, maybe to 24, maybe to 23, possibly even to $20,000, okay? And why do I think that? Well, first of all, okay, we actually had this range here, okay? So we had this range that was looking something like this. We got that failed auction towards the upside here, okay, bringing the price back into the range, okay, coming pretty much to range low, getting a bounce off there. But, you know, we've had a failed auction of this range. And what tends to happen when we get a fake out, okay, like this one here, okay, once we get a fake out of one side of the breakout, okay, of the pattern, sorry, what we tend to see is that the price comes down, okay, or up if it's a bullish, if it was a bearish breakout, okay, it comes down and actually gets a break towards the downside of the pattern. So it gets a fake out to one side and then a breakout to the other side, okay? So this is something we need to be very, very aware of. And this is something that I am looking out for as of right now, okay? Because we could possibly get the breakout towards the downside. Now, what else am I looking at? Well, if we actually come to the DXY, we can see that as of right now, the DXY is pumping. This is bad news for Bitcoin, okay? Because whenever the DXY is pushing towards the upside, we tend to see Bitcoin pull back. When the DXY is pulling back, we tend to see Bitcoin pump, okay? So now that we're seeing the DXY push towards the upside, it isn't looking too good for both the traditional markets, but also Bitcoin as well. And then if we come and have a look at the traditional markets, we can see that the traditional markets are actually pulling back, okay? So what are we expecting to see for Bitcoin? Well, we're actually expecting to see a pullback for Bitcoin, okay? So what am I looking at? Well, I'm looking at the price actually pulling back to this level here. If we see the bullish confirmation, bullish confluence at this level here, then I'm looking to long, okay, because we're most likely going to see a push towards the upside. However, okay, if I don't see the bullish confirmation and bullish confluence at this level, I'm looking, okay, to possibly short this, okay, if we get a break towards the downside and a confirmed, you know, retest and then rejection, okay, because we are most likely going to see a continuation towards the downside. If the DXY continues to pump, the ES, okay, the ES1 decides to continue to pull back, okay, then we're most likely going to see Bitcoin actually continue to pull back as well if we don't see the bullish confirmation and bullish confluence at this level, okay. So this is something that we need to just be very aware of within Bitcoin. You know, it is looking more bearish than bullish right now, okay, but things can change, okay, things could change. We could come to our key level here and we could look bullish, okay, and then we could see a push towards the upside, okay. So we always just have to you know, factor in that there is always a bullish case scenario when there's a bearish case scenario, and there always is a bullish case scenario, there always is a bearish case scenario when there is a bullish case scenario, okay. So we just have to look at both scenarios and see which one is more likely to play out, okay. Right now, the bearish scenario is looking more likely to play out. However, things can change, and we could see a nice bullish reaction off of this level here. So we will just have to wait and see what happens. But of course, the first people to know about anything I do, okay, any trade I take, will be the people in the Visionary Discord. So if you want access to that, click the link in the description. It'll take you over to bittrading.uk and you can gain access to the Visionary Discord via there. And you can also gain access to the free courses we have available for you as well. So thank you very much for watching. That's all I've got for you today. I will see you in the next update. Have a lovely day and see you later.